Greetings, this is Earthman from Origami's Living Soil, servant of the Most High God. Hoping that your day is well and you are blessed this day. We're going to talk a little bit about God and what's in nature, and that is a thing called biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are microorganisms that come in different type of carrier forms. Like this one is like a talcum powder form, organic. I inoculate biochar, so that biochar is living. It has a whole bunch of microorganisms in the nooks and crannies of the biochar. That's what's great about biochar. I also have a wheat brand carrier that I inoculated in the form of what I call, or not what I call, but what is called IMO3, Indigenous Microorganism 3, and in that form, biofertilizers are microorganisms that do so much more than just. Now this is, I don't have a rehearsed script here or whatever. I'm just shooting my own knowledge off the top of my head here. And what biofertilizers are, they're microorganisms that break down organic matter and nutrients and make it available for the plant. But like I said earlier, they do so much more than that. They play a part in the plant's growth cycle from beginning to the end when it comes to root production, stem production, leaf production, flower and bud production, and things like that. You're going to need assistance in a lot of different ways, more so than just making nutrients available to the plant. And that's what biofertilizers do. They make those nutrients available to the plant, and they play a part in the plant's hormone, the way the hormones work, the way the breaking down of the starches and the sugars and carbohydrates, and transferring them to the different parts of the plant, and the moisture and all that. It coats the root system, protects the root system. Microorganisms, biofertilizers coat and protect the root system from different hostiles in the soil, different pathogens and stuff that will attack your root system and colonize. This will outcrowd them. And when your soil is loaded with good beneficial bacteria, it crowds out the bad bacteria too. So I just wanted to throw out what is a biofertilizer. Well, it's microorganisms that are designed to help your plant grow great, the way God designed it to be grown, and that's coinciding with nice rich soil and loaded living organisms in your living soil. So that's pretty much it. May God bless you this day. A little biochar action. Woo! Isn't that beautiful or what? And may God bless you.